The saying goes, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it. So I'm not going to say anything about the officiating tonight. But between Jimmy Butler having his way with the Celtics defense and Boston just not showing any signs of life until the very end, it was a recipe for a Game 7.
Definitely an ugly game, a lot of stoppages, etc. But, it is what it is. It's playoff basketball.
The unforced turnovers are the one that's really tough. Obviously charges and things like that, but especially starting in the first quarter, I think we might have 6 turnovers in the first quarter. That's just not how we want to start.
Got to a slow start. Butler was aggressive, made a match's intensity, but every time we got within striking distance, got to a tie game, 2-3 points, we got some costly turnovers that they go down and score on and felt like we were playing behind most of the time due to that.
They responded to every time we made a run, every time we got close, every time we went up. They made key baskets and timely shots and things like that. And it's almost like you can't leave in a game like this, and they got it going. We can't leave no room for error, and we did. We got to play great defense again and force them to make some of those shots again.
We're frustrated, but if it was easy, it wouldn't be us. So we're gonna get on this plane. We're gonna go out to Miami and try to get the big win here, Game 7. We've been here before, and we got a lot of confidence in our group.
The Celtics just couldn't close it out at home. The final minutes were not enough to take them to the finals, so we'll have to wait until Sunday to see if Boston will be banner bound. But as Jason Tatum said,
Scale of 1 to 10? 10. It shouldn't be any less than that, right? Scale of 1 to 10 is a 10. My confidence level with myself and the group.